Let us know about the shocking truth of the world's youngest chess champion, Gukesh Domaraju. Gukesh's birth and family. Gukesh was born on 29th May 2006 in Chennai in a well-educated Telugu family. His father, Dr. Rajnikant, is an ENT surgeon and his mother, Dr. Padma, is a microbiologist. Both parents recognized Gukesh's talent early and encouraged his ambition to excel in chess. Gukesh considers his parents to be the main pillar of his success. He had to travel frequently for chess competitions from a very young age. His father, Dr. Rajnikant, even left his job to take his son everywhere safely and accompanied him. Gukesh's interest in chess grew rapidly during childhood, and with constant practice and guidance, he became one of the youngest chess players in India. Left studies in childhood. Gukesh did his schooling in Chennai. He studied at Velammal Vidyalaya, which is a renowned group of schools in Chennai. Gukesh learned to play chess at the age of 7 in this very school. Even at that very young age, he was passionate about chess. But the surprising fact is that he stopped attending school after the 4th grade. Gukesh was in the 1st grade when his school coach Bhaskar first recognized his talent and began training him in chess. Legendary Indian chess champion Vishwanathan Anand has been his mentor since his early days. He stopped attending regular school from that time and focused only on chess. Gukesh said that he had to sacrifice many other things that other children enjoyed during their childhood. First achievement as a gold medalist. In 2015, when Gukesh was only 9 years old, he achieved his first big victory by winning the gold medal at the Asian School Chess Championship. In 2019, Gukesh earned the title of Grandmaster at the age of 12, becoming the second youngest Grandmaster in chess history of that time. Gukesh eventually won the King's Gambit title by defeating Chinese chess player Ding Liren in the finals of the 18th World Chess Championship. He is the first teenager in the world to be crowned World Chess Champion. Before his victory, Gukesh was ranked 5th in the World Chess ranking. Gukesh's parents have been his pillars of strength throughout his journey. Their sacrifices, especially the father's decision to give up his career, have been crucial to Gukesh's success. Gukesh's net worth. As of 2024, Gukesh has an estimate net worth of Rs 8.25 crore. His earning comes from tournaments, prizes, sponsorship and endorsements.